In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Triangle Rewards. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link. You can see the link over here triangle.canadiantire.ca/en/triangle-signin.html. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials, or you can also sign in with a passkey if you want. If you want to do that, click on this option, sign in with the passkey. After that you'll be able to sign in with the passkey. If you want to sign in with the credentials, what you have to do is enter your email and password. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Triangle Rewards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.